In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to sprint in EFC26, including how to use control sprint and the analog sprint feature. To start with the basic sprint, simply hold the right trigger on your Xbox controller, R2 on PlayStation or ZR on Nintendo Switch. This makes your player run at full speed. Now let's talk about control sprint. This one helps you move quickly but with better control of the ball. To use it, hold the right bumper on Xbox, R1 on PlayStation or R button on Nintendo Switch. It's great for keeping position while still gaining speed. Now let's talk about analog sprint. You'll need to enable this first. Go to accessibility settings from the top left corner of the main menu. Then switch to the gameplay tab by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox and scroll all the way down. You'll find the analog sprint option at the very bottom. Just turn it on. Once it's enabled, your sprint speed will depend on how much pressure you apply to the sprint button. If you press it lightly, your player will run slower. Press it fully down and you'll get maximum sprint speed. It gives you more control over how fast your player moves, and that's how you use sprint, control sprint and the analog sprint in FC26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.